wish I never held back, wish nobody had to sell crack. Then I may have seen my dad a little more, maybe I could dream a little more. But I still wishing those stars in the sky, wish a lot of people was alive. And I probably passed on a whole lot of truth, but I know about a whole lot of lies. Man, I wish I had me a time machine, I would tell Martin it was all a dream. And I wish like Ray J back in 06, get to work cause I got my chick. And I wish like Kels did, if I could change the clock, man, I'd change a lot. And I probably wouldn't be so selfish, I would've gave a lot, man, I'm ashamed of that. I wish I could've told, oh, thank you, before it got way too late. I wish I would've worked on my jump shot, but time just fades away. I probably wish too much, I know I played less than I should, I know I did too much, I take it all back if I could.
Wish I had another chance, maybe I do better, maybe I do better, maybe I do better. Every time I think about all of my mistakes, I just wanna turn it around. Be like, if I never went there, I would never know. Maybe I can turn it around.
I wish I didn't do it, but I did it. Man, it happened last night. Man, I wish I would try to act like you ain't never lost your sight. And I don't even do it for the money, except when I do it for the money. Trying to find yourself, but you find yourself doing things in the dark, kinda funny. I wish I had 10 more wishes, I swear I got 10 more visions. And life is a game that I can't stop playing, baby, give me like 10 more minutes. I'm almost finished, I wish I had a little more time. Got a whole lot of goals that I wish I could achieve, I believe I'ma lose my mind. Before I get to those, yeah, I missed the goals, but my shot was off. I can't tell what I lost till I count the cost, but I probably missed my call. Wish I was a little bit taller, wish I was a baller. Then again, every time I get a little money, I'll be looking at the next man like he's smaller. I can't call it. And I wish I didn't go and get high on that one first date. I was all zoned out, paranoid like.
Did you hear that noise?
And I know she probably thinking I'm cray, no pun intended. I wish I repented a little bit quicker. Then again, I ain't pulled the trigger. I know I said I had no regrets, but I sure do wish every chance I get. Go figure.
Wish I had another chance, maybe I do better, maybe I do better, maybe I do better. Every time I think about all of my mistakes, I just wanna turn it around. Be like, if I never went there, I would never know. Maybe I can turn it around. If I never went there, I would never know. Maybe I can turn it around. Maybe I can turn it around.